every celebration deserves to be unforgettable. And that's what we aim to craft. Good day everyone, we are from BSC 3C and today we're excited to present our proposed business, the Dream Crafts Events with the tagline, Crafting Unforgettable Experiences. I am Jower Suson, together with my members, Brian Jones Caliora, Clark Cresley Alvarez, Kurt Santiago, Franklin Olar Espiritu, and Daniela Marie Valles. A business proposal presented to the Faculty of Electrical Engineering Department, Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, under the supervision of Engineer Marben D.V. Bartolome, REE, RME, our research instructor, November 2025.
Dream Crafts Events is a premier event planning and management company dedicated to transforming visions into reality. One of the main reasons we decided to choose an event management business is simply because I am a holder of NC3 in TESDA Events Management. So may sapat kaming kaalaman at skills pagdating sa pag-organize at pag-manage ng iba't ibang events professionally. Also, our team is driven by compassion, creativity, and teamwork, which are essential traits in creating a memorable and well-organized events.
Next naman is yung mga scientific tools or method na gagamitin namin to ensure profit in our business. First is Value Proposition Canvas. The Value Proposition Canvas helps a business to understand their customers deeply by matching the service to their needs and problems. Sa madaling salita, ginagamit ang Value Proposition Canvas ng isang negosyo upang malaman ang pangangailangan at kagustuhan ng kanilang customers. In Dream Crafts Events Company, gagamitin namin ang Value Proposition Canvas upang malaman namin kung ano ang kagustuhan na maging event ng aming mga customers. Sunod naman is yung mga kilalang kumpanya na gumagamit ng Value Proposition Canvas. Nandito yung Coca-Cola, Spotify at Airbnb. Next is yung mga kilalang tao na gumagamit ng Value Proposition Canvas. Nandito si Dr. Alexander Osterwalder, Yves Fignor at Steve Blank. Next tool naman is Business Model Canvas. Business Model Canvas serves a business to see or understand the whole structure of a business on how it operates, earns, and deliver values. Sa madaling salita, ang Business Model Canvas ay ginagamit ng isang negosyo upang malaman kung paano ito kikita at mapapalago. Sa Dream Crafts Events Company, gagamitin namin ang Business Model Canvas para malaman namin kung paano namin mapapaganda ang aming serbisyo at paano namin ito mapapalago at kikita. Next naman is lumako tayo sa mga kilalang kumpanya na gumagamit ng Business Model Canvas. Nandito yung Airbnb, Uber at Apple. Next naman is yung mga kilalang tao na gumagamit ng Business Model Canvas. Nandito si Eric Rice, Dr. Alexander Osterwalder at Steve Blank.
So after the BPC and the BMC, let's focus on the Lean Six Sigma. So the purpose of the Lean Six Sigma is to improve the quality and efficiency ng isang business. Sa part din na to, malalaman natin or ma-identify natin yung mga waste at mababawasan natin yung mga errors. Using approach na nakapaloob dito, tulad na lamang ng DMAIC approach or Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. The company that uses the Lean Six Sigma naman is the Motorola, the General Electric, the Caterpillar, and the 3M. They are using the Lean Six Sigma to increase their competitiveness in the market. And the person who uses this naman is Jack Welch, na isang CEO sa General Electric Company, and Bill Smith, na isang engineer sa Motorola. The push and pull method. The push and pull method ay isang way ng pagmamanage ng product on how will we plan to provide it in the customers. By simple terms, the push method is prepare first then sell later, and the pull method is wait for the demand then supply. By using this method is we can manage the resources effectively and meet the customer's needs on time. The company that using such method naman ay Toyota and the Amazon. One company is focusing on the service and one company is focusing on the product. The renowned endorser naman ng method na to ay si Taichi Ono. Kilala siya bilang the father of the Toyota production. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis ay method kung saan ina-identify mo yung internal, which is the strengths and weaknesses ng company mo, and external, which is the opportunities and threats. These tools allow our business to make better decisions, develop strategies, and prepare for the challenges in the market. The company that using such method naman ay ang Nike and the Coca-Cola. They are using this method to evaluate their market position and develop marketing strategies. And the prominent endorser of this method naman ay si Albert Humphrey. He developed the SWOT frameworks and uses it way back 1960s.
For the location of our business, our office is located at Burgos Avenue, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. In our search for a place to build a business, we found this place surrounded by shops and businesses like the LBC Burgos branch and Pandayan Bookstore Burgos branch. It offered good visibility, easy access for the pedestrian and vehicles, and a modern secured structure with roll-up doors and tiled flooring, ready for occupancy. The area is commercially active, surrounded by services and retail businesses that attract steady customer. Utility like electricity and water is available, and the environment is clean, safe, and accessible.
And para malaman kung kikita ba kami sa gagawin naming business is, we conducted a target customer survey. This survey purpose is to gather data na makakatulong sa aming business evaluation. And here is the proof. So after we gathered the data with our 80 respondents, we analyzed and interpreted it by using pie charts and bar graph as our statistical tools. And we came up with the great result. Our first question is, have you ever attended or hired a professional event management service? And 63% of our respondents says yes na naka-attend na sila or naka-hired na sila ng professional event management service, and that other 37% says no, na hindi pa sila nakaka-attend or nakakapag-hire ng professional management event service. Our second question is, how satisfied were you with your overall experience? The 4% of our respondents says very satisfied sila sa experience nila. The 65% of our respondents says satisfied sila sa experience nila sa event na yon. And the other 31% says hindi sila na-satisfied sa naging experience nila sa event na yon. Our third question is, how do you find the most stressful or difficult when planning an event? So in this question, we using checklist and bar graph as our statistical tools. The 66% of our respondents says nahihirapan sila sa pagmamanage ng budget, and the 15% naman na nagsabi na nahihirapan sila sa paghahanap ng suppliers. And the other 15% naman ay nagsabi na nahihirapan sila sa team design. The 25% naman ang nagsabi na nahihirapan sila sa pagmamanage ng time. At may isang nagsabi na nahihirapan sila sa coordination. Our fourth question is, would you be interested in availing or supporting our event management service? And 92.5% ang nagsabi na yes, susuportahan nila yung business namin. And other 7.5% ay nagsabi ng no, na hindi nila susuportahan ang business namin. Our fifth question is, if we were to build our business in Burgos Avenue, Cabanatuan City, would you like to visit or book our service? The result is 94% ang nagsabi na yes, bibisita sila at magbubuk sila sa business namin, and the other 6% na nagsabi is no, na hindi sila bibisita or magbubuk sa business namin.
For our competitors' customer survey, here are the results. For question 1, what did you like most about their service? 67% like the affordable pricing and 33% like the complete package. For question 2, what did you dislike or think needs improvement? 100% said too many separate suppliers. Dito, malinaw na nahihirapan ng mga respondents kapag hiwa-hiwalay ang suppliers. Mas magastos, mas magulo, at mas matrabaho. For question number 3, how likely are you to try a one-stop shop events management company where all service are handled by one team? 67% said yes and 33% said maybe. Pinapakita dito na bukas ang mga respondents sa one-stop shop setup dahil mas convenient yun sa kanila.
Magandang araw! We are Dream Crafts Events and Services and today andito kami ngayon sa Freedom Park malapit sa Burgos Avenue kung saan namin balak itayo yung business namin. And we are here para mag-conduct ng interview para malaman yung insights and thoughts nila about sa business namin. And I'm here with Mr.
Jason Angeles,
Jason Angeles and age po.
19 years old.
And saan po sila nakatira?
San Juan Acpa.
San Juan Acpa. Question number 1 is, naka-attend or naka-experience na po ba kayo ng isang event?
Yes po, like birthday party or mga events na nagbubox ng kape.
Question number 2 is, na-satisfied naman po ba kayo sa event na napuntahan nyo?
Satisfied naman po kasi nung pag-enter po namin ng events, na welcome po kami ng maayos. Mas mababait po yung mga tao nila.
And question number 3 po, kung sakali naman po kami magtatayo ng business dito lang po sa Cabanatuan, especially dun po sa Burgos Avenue, susuportahan nyo po ba or bibisitahin ang aming Dream Crafts Events and Services?
Yes po, I'm willing naman po to support your business.
And question number 4 po, ano po sa tingin nyo yung pinaka nakaka-stress o mahirap sa kapag nagpaplano ng isang events and services or ng isang events?
Number 1 po dyan yung budget kasi mahirap po mag-budget kung walang pera na hindi po sapat. And number 2 po yung time. Mahirap din po mag-manage ng time. Kunyari po, ikaw ay working student, mahirap pong pagsabayin yung pag-aaral at pag-business.
Okay. And last question is, kung sakaling bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, mag-a-avail ka ba or susuportahan mo ang aming business?
Yes po, mag-avail po.
So, yun, mag-a-avail daw si Kuya. Thank you and good day po.
Okay po.
And I'm here with Mr. Name po.
Jen Marta Lucas,
Saan po, ilang taon na po kayo?
20,
And saan po kayo nakatira?
Polillo.
Question number 1 po is, naka-attend or naka-experience na po ba kayo ng isang event?
Oo.
Question number 2 naman po is, nasatisfied naman po ba kayo sa event na napuntahan nyo?
Oo naman.
Question number 3 naman po, kung sakali po na magtatayo kami ng business sa Cabanatuan, especially sa Burgos Avenue, is susuportahan nyo po ba yung business naming Dream Crafts Events and Services?
Oo.
Sa question number 4 po is, ano sa tingin nyo po yung pinaka mahirap or nakaka-stress pag nagpaplano ng isang business?
Time design and
Time management and team design.
team design.
And question number 5 po is, kung sakaling bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, mag-a-avail ka ba or susuportahan mo yung business namin?
Pwede naman. Oo.
In both surveys, malinaw na gusto ng customers ang affordable, convenient at complete service. They struggle with too many suppliers, budget issues, and coordination. The good news is, over 90% of them are willing to avail and visit our Burgos Avenue location. This means that our business concept fits exactly what customer needs.
Next is the value proposition canvas. The value proposition canvas has 6 parts. The first part is the customer jobs. Ito yung mga gustong maranasan ng aming customer. Nandito yung affordable price, all-in-one service, online and in-person accommodation, and professional event. Next is the customer gains. Ito yung mga maaaring maranasan ng aming customer. Nandito yung affordable package option, organized program, unique team design, and excellent service. Next is the gain creators. Katulad lang ito ng customer gains. Nandito pa rin yung affordable service, unique team design, excellent management service, and professional event planning. Sunod is yung most important part of our value proposition canvas, knowing the customer pains, such as budget management or limitation, time management, unorganized event, unreliable suppliers, and limited access to service. Knowing that customer pains, we come up a solution or pain relievers. First is the more affordable package options, improved management timeliness, well-organized program, reliable suppliers, and all-in-one service. And the last part is the product and services that we offer. First is corporate events like team buildings, seminars, and workshops. Next is social events like birthday parties and anniversaries. Next is weddings. We offer full event planning services such as decoration and designing. Next is the event consultation. We offer professional advice when it comes to event planning. And last is the additional services.
Next, our business model canvas. The business model canvas is a strategic tool that visualizes, map out to the 9 core components of a business, clarifying how a company creates, delivers, and captures values. First, we have our customer segments, the specific group of people that our company wants to serve, people that want to do an event without having the time, place, or didn't want to carry the stress building an event. We serve for all ages, individuals planning birthday, weddings, and family gatherings. We also target corporate events. Next is our customer relationship. This is how we interact with our customers before, during, and after the service. Also, this is the reason why our customers come back. We have mobile apps providing good service, approachable staff, and strong attention to details. Next is our channels. We should interact with our customers using our channels. We have social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. We can also heard from word of mouth, referrals, and flyers. Next is our key activities, the most important action our business must do to deliver its value. Based on our competitor survey, we decided to do a unique characteristic, the transparent single dashboard. The transparent single dashboard is our client can see everything digitally in one place, but never have to communicate with multiple suppliers. Approval, updates, and changes all go through Dreamcraft. The next key activities are creative design, customized event, and coordination with our clients. Next is our value proposition. This is the value we provide to the customers, the reason why they choose our service. Unique experience, we have provide unique experience, improve event planning, stress-free, and efficiency and quality service. Next is our key resources, the important asset needed to run our business. Based on our survey, we decided to do a unique feature, the transparent pricing. We maximize our client budget without sacrificing the quality. And the other key resources are the experienced event planners and staff, equipment inventory, and suppliers network. Next is our key partners, other parties that help our company operate and succeed. We have our catering services, the Sizzling Plate. We have our venue provider, the Sampaguita Garden. We have our photographer and videographer, the Capture Moment Studio. We have our entertainers. We have our stylist, the Glam Studio by Tina. We have our light and sound, the Sound and Light Rentals. Next is our cost structure, the cost to run our business. We have our venue rental costing 50,000 pesos, catering 80,000 pesos, decoration and materials 40,000 pesos, suppliers and payment 35,000 pesos, entertainment and music 15,000 pesos, labor event day crew 10,000 pesos, logistic and transport 15,000 pesos, and contingency and miscellaneous fee 5,000 pesos, totaling 250,000 pesos. Next is our revenue stream. It shows how our business makes money. According to our survey, our strongest revenue source will come from budget and mid-range event. Premium event will be fewer but will generate higher profit per event. We have our revenue stream based on survey result. We have our highest demand, the budget event package, cost costing less than 50k. We have mid-range full package is costing 50 to 150,000 pesos. While our premium event is the highly profit margin costing 150,000 pesos plus. We also have decoration and styling package, event coordination service, custom theme, add-ons like photo booth, LED walls, dessert, soup and souvenirs. We have our logistic and delivery fees. We have our suppliers markup commission, and lastly, the future Dreamcraft app premium features. Next is our revenue projection. We estimate our average event price around 73,000 pesos. We have a scenario A when we have 3 events per month costing us a revenue yearly of 2,668,000 pesos. We have scenario B, 5 events per month, giving us a revenue yearly of 4,380,000 pesos. Scenario C, 7 events per month, giving us a revenue yearly of 6,132,000 pesos. Next is our salary projection. The total monthly salary cost will be 44,500 per month. We have yearly salary expenses costing around 534,000 per year. Next is our return of investment or ROI. We estimate startup investment yearly profit calculation based on 3 events per month. We can get yearly revenue around 2,628,000 pesos. We have our yearly expenses like salaries by 500,000, 34,000 pesos. We have materials, logistic per event costing 720,000 pesos. We have marketing plus mix 150,000 pesos, and total yearly expenses around 1,404,000 pesos. Yearly net profit is equals to 1,224,000 net profit. For our ROI formula, we have ROI is equals sa net profit divided by initial investment times 100. ROI is equals to 453% ROI in 1 year, meaning we can recover our full capital 3 months and the rest of the year is pure profit.
Another effective tool we use to help our business analyze data and identify problems is DMAIC that comes from Six Sigma. We have define according to our survey. We identify the problems that we can encounter within the system process. And these are budget management, finding suppliers, and time management. So alam naman natin na kung hindi naka-budget ay hindi masusunod ang nasa plano. Dahil maaaring magkaroon ng extra expenses at maaaring hindi masunod yung financial limit. Next is measure. We perform data collection to determine the problem of our company. Customers noted weaknesses in most service and highlights a lack of good communication and disorganized staff. These are the systematic root causes we must eliminate. Next is analyze. So we identify the problem, finding suppliers, and time management. We then ask question, what package interests you most? A preference of the full service and venue and catering bundle validates that our single integrated offering directly addresses the customer's top processes defect. The data shows a market exceeds at a certain spending level. But the high ranking of affordable cost means we must deliver maximum value and price transparency. Next is improve. After the analysis, we began to solve the problem. We persevere on the full service package model. A strong preference for online management or both equally means our business must have an online platform to standardize communication, which is our control mechanism and reliability. Next is control. To sustain our gains, we will standardize and document all processes for the full service package as standard work or SOPs, continuously track customer satisfaction score or CSAT after every event to ensure we are maintaining a low defect rate in professionalism and reliability.
So next naman is yung push and pull system. Ang push and pull system ay tumutulong sa aming event management business para maging balance yung preparation at yung demand ng customer. So unahin natin yung push system. Dito naghahanda na agad kami ng services kasi based on our survey, 94% ng respondent ay willing na mag-book sa aming service. Kaya nag-expect kami na malakas yung demand. Kaya nagpre-prepare na kami ng mga event package o mga basic materials na pwede naming agad ibigay sa aming mga clients kung sakaling may dumating. Pero sa pull system naman, mag-a-activate naman ito kapag may specific request yung customer. Dito, pwede mong i-customize yung mga theme, mga special materials kung anong gusto ng customer. So, maganda ito para hindi mag-waste ng mga materials yung ayaw ng mga customer para maibigay kung ano talaga ang gusto ng customer.
Next is the SWOT analysis. This is a strategic tool that helps a business identify internal capabilities and external factors that influence success. For our strengths, number 1 is all-in-one package. Clients can get everything in one package. Kaya hindi na nila kailangan humanap pa ng iba't ibang mga suppliers. Number 2 is the organized and smooth workflow. Every step of the event is well planned, ensuring na mas professional and stress-free ang execution. Number 3 is the good communication with clients. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and build trusts, lalo na kung may last-minute changes. Number 4 is the creative and unique designs. We provide unique and memorable designs na nagpapaganda at nagiging special ang bawat event. Number 5 is the professional staff. Our team is reliable and skilled, kaya maaasahan sila sa bawat detalye ng event. And lastly, for the strengths is the flexible in handling different client needs. We adapt easily to last-minute requests or special requirements para mas satisfied ang mga clients. For our weaknesses, number 1 is the limited brand recognition. Dito, kaya namin naging weakness to, being a new company, not many people know the brand yet, which is the events management. Kaya minsan mahirap mag-attract ng mga clients. Number 2, for our weakness is the limited event portfolio. New business pa lang kami, kaya mas unti pa lang yung mga nagagawa naming events. So, hindi sila mas makakita ng mga proof. Number 3 is the reliance on external suppliers. We depend on third-party suppliers, kaya may chance na magkaroon ng delays o quality issues. Mas nakadepende kami kasi ngayon sa mga suppliers. Number 4 is the limited equipment and inventory. For being a new business, owning fewer materials increased rental cost and reduces flexibility, lalo na kung gusto ng client ng customized setup. For number 5 is the budget constraints for marketing and expansion. Dito, smaller marketing funds limit our reach at mas mabagal ang growth ng business. For our opportunities, number 1 is the collaborations with local brands. Dito, partnering with local brand florists, photographers, bakers, and venues sa area na malapit sa amin can strengthen our service at makakabuo ng mas complete package para sa clients. Number 2 is the virtual and hybrid events. Dito, the demand for online integrated events is growing, kaya mas pwede tayong mag-offer ng new packages. Number 3 is the personalized custom themes. Dito, clients love unique, tailored-made events na nagbibigay advantage sa brand at mas mataas ang perceived value. Lastly, for opportunities is the rising demand for full-service packages. More clients prefer hassle-free, all-in-one solutions na bagay sa model ng business namin. For our threats, number 1 is the high competition among organizers. The solution na naisip namin is strengthen branding and online presence, highlighting creative themes at mag-offer ng competitive pricing or referral discounts. Number 2 is the client
budget constraints. The solution that we make is create flexible packages, offer installment plans or tiered services, at maging transparent sa pricing sa mga customers namin. For number 3 is the weather condition affecting outdoor events. The solution is always prepare backup plans. Tapos mag-provide ng tents and weatherproofing at i-monitor dapat lagi ang weather para mas magiging handa lagi. Number 4 is the unreliable suppliers. The solution is build a list of trusted and backup suppliers. Use clear contracts with timelines and penalties at unti-unting bumili ng essential equipments para less dependent sa mga suppliers.
In today's evolving business landscape, technology plays a vital role in delivering efficient and reliable service. That's why our events and services company has introduced Dreamcrafts, an application purposed to streamline operations, enhance client engagement, and provide a seamless experience from inquiry to completion. Through this platform, clients can easily access event information, explore our service offerings, and receive real-time updates. To use the application, simply visit the App Store and search for Dreamcrafts. After downloading, log in or create an account to gain full access to all available features and services. By integrating this technology, we ensure greater efficiency, improved coordination, and a more professional responsive service for every customers. In the end, building a business with our coworkers is more than just sharing tasks. It is about sharing a vision, supporting one another, and growing together. Through collaboration, trust, and collective efforts, we create not only a stronger organization, but also a workplace where everyone feels valued and empowered. Together, we move forward with a shared purpose, ready to turn our ideas into a long-lasting success. And lastly, this is Dreamcrafts Events and Services, crafting unforgettable memories.